Hi everyone, welcome to Suma's Home Cooking. To subscribe our channel, please visit the homepage and hit the subscribe button, and for notification hit the bell icon. Today we will prepare jackfruit crispy and spicy pakora or chips. Like this, we have to cut the jackfruit into small pieces. Now we need to pressure cook the jackfruit. Add 2 spoons salt and 1 glass of water and cook until 1 whistle. Now the jackfruit is cooked nicely. It is very soft now. Now we need to drain the excess water which is released after the jackfruit was pressure cooked. Now we need to prepare the batter for deep frying the jackfruit. For that we need 1 cup of besan powder, half cup of corn powder, 1.5 spoon crushed ginger and garlic. Now we need to add 2 spoon maida or all-purpose powder. Add 1 spoon turmeric powder. Add salt as per taste, half spoon black pepper, half spoon coriander powder, half spoon garam masala. Add 2 spoon hot oil. Now we need to mix everything well and add little by little water to make a thick batter. Now the batter is ready for deep frying. We need to dip the jackfruit inside the batter and drop one by one into the medium hot oil and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until it is not turning golden color. Stir occasionally so that it doesn't burn. It has turned golden brown color. Now it is time to remove. So finally we got jackfruit crispy and spicy pakora or chips is ready to serve. If you like our recipe, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.